Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken orange sauce. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on fresh orange juice and zest for that vibrant citrus flavor. Then, we'll combine these with savory elements like soy sauce, rice vinegar, and aromatic ginger and garlic. Finally, we'll balance the sauce with a touch of sweetness, ensuring a perfect blend of tangy and savory notes for your chicken. Once your ingredients are ready, combine all the liquids and seasonings in a saucepan. Gently bring this mixture to a simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. As it heats, prepare a simple cornstarch slurry. This is key for achieving that perfect, glossy texture we all love in a good orange sauce. Stir it in gradually until your sauce reaches the desired thickness. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. On another note, after enjoying your delicious orange chicken, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making post-dinner tidying a breeze. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your sauce perfected, it's time for the chicken. Cook your bite-sized chicken pieces until they're beautifully golden and fully cooked through. Then, generously toss the hot chicken with your freshly made orange sauce, ensuring every piece is coated. Serve this delightful dish immediately over fluffy rice, perhaps with a sprinkle of sesame seeds for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade orange chicken.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.